Hey friends, wanted to shoot a quick video just to show how to replace the window belt trim. It's like these pieces here on a second gen Montero. So the first thing you've got to do is take off this piece of trim on the inside of your door. It's really easy to just kind of grab and yank. It just pops off. And then you've got three 10mm bolts to take off. They shouldn't be very tight. Mine weren't torqued very much at all, so just a little nut driver like this takes these nuts off. Of course, this is the same way to take your mirror off if you've got to replace your mirror or service it or whatever. So right here is the only screw holding this thing on, the rest is just clips. So Phillips head to loosen this guy up. Keep that safe with the other ones. Now this whole thing just pops up. You might have a couple extra little clips like this left over. You can just use a flathead screwdriver or a little pry bar to just get a little leverage to pull those guys out. Okay, now we got the new one. That's it to pop it into place. Now we'll get the little screw back in. And we'll get the mirror back on. And that's it. It's all buttoned back up. We've got a fresh looking window belt trim. The back doors are very similar to the front. Of course, it's a little more simple because you don't have a mirror that you have to take off. Instead, the one fastening screw is right here behind the, I guess this is the B pillar. So you just gotta take that one screw out and the whole thing pops up, and then the new one pops in and you put the screw back in. So even easier than the front.